Here we are on YouTube, and I'm going to show you some secrets that the YouTubers won't show you. Here we go, dashboard, videos, playlists. This is what you want. Settings, right here. Click on that. General, channel. Click on that. Basic info. Add your keywords right there, and they'll always be there. Advanced settings. Now, upload default. Fill in your description. And it will always be there. Fill in your tags. And it will always be there. This is YouTube secrets. They won't tell you. All these settings. Save them right here. And saves you a lot of time.